In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Squirespace to Brevo. This is a simple way to place a Brevo form directly on your Squarespace website so visitors can submit their information without you doing anything complicated. First, log in to your Squarespace account. Take a moment to make sure you are signed in to the correct account because all the editing actions you will do next depend on having access to the right website. Once you are logged in, you should be looking at your Squarespace dashboard. Next, navigate to the page where you want to add the form. Think about where you want people to fill it out, such as a contact page, a landing page, or any page that matches your goal. As you move through your site pages, pause on the exact page you want, because you will be editing only that page, not the whole site. After you have found the right page, click Edit to open the page editor. This is the moment where Squarespace switches from viewing your page to letting you modify it. When the editor opens, you should see your page layout and the tools you can use to add new elements. Now click Add Block and select Code. This is how you insert custom embed content into Squarespace. When you select Code, look for a field or block area where you can paste content. The reason this step matters is that the Brevo form is provided as HTML embed code, and Squarespace needs a place to receive that code. With the Squarespace editor ready, switch over and log in to your Brevo account. From Brevo, go to Contacts and then Forms. This section is where Brevo manages the forms you create and the embed options for each form. You will need to access the form you want to display on your Squarespace page. Once you are in Contacts and Forms, copy the HTML embed code for your form. Take your time here and make sure you copy the correct embed code associated with the form you intend to use. The copied HTML is what tells the browser exactly what to display and how to send submissions back to Brevo. Now return to Squarespace and paste the code into the Squarespace code block. Click into the code block area and paste the embed code exactly as it was copied. It is best to double-check that the entire block of code appears in the editor without missing characters or cutting off the first or last lines. This ensures the form will load correctly on your live page. After pasting the code, you are almost done. Next, click Save and publish your changes. Saving updates your page in the editor, and publishing makes the changes live so visitors can actually see the form. Once you publish, give Squarespace a moment to complete the process. As a final quick check, you can preview the updated page to confirm the form appears as expected. This helps you verify that everything is connected properly before you rely on it for submissions. If the form does not show immediately, refreshing the page typically resolves display delays, since the embedded code needs to load the form elements, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to connect Squarespace to Brevo and add your Brevo form to your website successfully.